Hey there, this is Trevor Marty, and this is a commercial for air conditioners. I don't have air conditioning. I have 2 window air conditioners, but it's just yeah. Anyway, so it's really hot, and so if you're like me and you're either too poor to have one, or just a friggin' cheapskate, i.e. Trevor Marty, this is my answer to air conditioning. First off, a cold beer or beverage of your choice. Second off, a group of just anything, and then the cat spritzer. Oh yeah, whoo, damn. Now I can't see anything because it's all on my glasses, but woohoo! Have a good day.